Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a strawberry yogurt milkshake. First, gather 1 cup strawberries, 1 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, and ice. Wash and hull the strawberries, then add all ingredients to a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy, pausing to scrape down sides if needed. Taste and adjust sweetness or thickness, then pour into chilled glasses and serve immediately. In this video, I will explain how to make a strawberry yogurt milkshake. Start by measuring 1 cup strawberries, 1 cup yogurt, and 1/2 cup milk. Add 2 tablespoons honey or sugar and 1 cup ice for a chilled shake. If you prefer thicker texture, add a few more strawberries or reduce milk slightly. For extra creaminess, swap plain for Greek yogurt or add a splash of vanilla extract. In this video, I will help you blend a perfect strawberry yogurt milkshake. Place ingredients in the blender in this order: liquids, yogurt, strawberries, sweetener, and ice on top. Blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds, then pause and scrape the sides for thorough mixing. If the shake is too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time and blend briefly until you reach the ideal creamy consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.